How does Principal Forte work? Principal Forte combines the action of two sulfonylureas, nicosulfuron and rimsulfuron, HRAC Group 2, with the performance of Dicamba, HRAC Group 4, a hormonal herbicide. In this way, we achieve wide-ranging and robust control of major corn weeds. In addition, Principal Forte's formula includes protective isoxazoline, which makes it a selective treatment. The wide application window of Principal Forte allows the product to be used on early post-emergence, 2 to 4 leaves of corn, late post-emergence, 5 to 7 leaves of corn. Regarding the application timing, it is recommended to apply Principal Forte on early post-emergence of weeds. In the same way, mixing Principal Forte with Vivolt, non-ionic wetting agent, at a dosage of 0.2% VV allows you to reach maximum effectiveness and best product distribution.